Welcome back to my channel. Today I head to this train station. It's called Wrocław Główny, Wrocław Station, train station. And it was quite sunny day, so I was really lucky enough to capture kinda dreamy look with my camera, which is X100V. And today I use a recipe called the Kodak Max 800 most of the time. To be honest, I don't remember which recipe I used in each shots, but I guess most of the time I use the Kodak Max 800. So please make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Those photos that I'm taking right now could be a mixed. It doesn't really match up with GoPro footage that I'm showing to you right now, just because the GoPro didn't actually manage to capture some shots that I took, so please bear in mind. I really love this outcome from film recipe. I never used this one before, but I just wanted to kind of challenge my things, kind of new recipe from Fujifilm community app, and yeah, I really love this outcome. Today, as you can see, this guy, Maciej, will do the photography with me just around this train station. and he was a bit late, but you know, it was okay. He just came and then he didn't notice me, so we say hi and then we started shooting.
It's a film simulation, and which one is the Kodak Max 800, and like I can actually change it. See that?
Oh, yeah.
And I kind of change to cine still, and Kodak, that's the one, and it's about. So yeah, that's what it is.
I think it may be about
I thought I didn't take my portrait, so I just did self-portrait. I really like this those face of shadows because that's what I was trying to capture. It kind of obscured photos, and that's what I wanted to get. Now we are getting inside of the train station. Since the train station inside, as well as the outside, is considered as a public place, so I was freely photograph people. guess I was in the zone of like capturing photos and all the stuff, so I didn't even see that my camera's battery is like slowly dying, as you may see from the display of the camera. It says like, you know, one how to say that, one battery remaining, you know. Actually, after some time, this guy is a security guard on this train station stopped Maciej regarding like what kind of photos he was taking, and he was like a follow to the security guard station and then asked some questions, and I thought, you know, I was right to photograph inside of the train station because, you know, it's a public place, and actually it's true, and the security guard actually confirmed that like there's no problem to like a photograph inside of the train station. But turns out there's some incident, like some guy that like photographed in the train station to actually decide like where to do some stupid stuff. I'm not gonna say those I would say a bit prohibited words on YouTube, but you might guess what kind of things he was trying to do. So that's why the security guard stopped Maciej and asked some question like, "Are you okay? Are you feeling okay?" He's really good guy. He just I mean he doesn't even have like, you know, mental issues, anything like that. So I was really surprised that like security guard actually stopped him and asked some questions. But yeah, there's no issue there. After some time, they're just like casually talking, like what kind of photos he was taking, and yeah, that's it. I would say this one is one of my favorite photos. The sunlight and the shadows of people, and yeah, I guess it's something I wanted to capture, and X100V actually managed to capture what I wanted to photos. So yeah, it was perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Today that's it. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So see you in the next one.